This video gives a quick tutorial on how to install the Look2 Volunteer software. It shows how quick it is to get going on a single PC. You can also set it up to work on multiple workstations, laptops, and even Windows tablets, with all of them simultaneously sharing a common database. That more advanced setup is the subject of a different tutorial. Before you begin, make sure you have the 64-bit version of both Microsoft Excel and Access fully activated on your computer. Nonprofits can get amazing deals on Microsoft licenses at TechSoup.org. Make sure to select a license that includes Access. Alternatively, you can download a free runtime version of Access directly from Microsoft. But know that it does have limitations and a full license is preferred for at least one of your PCs. We'll be following the steps detailed in the Look2 Volunteer Quick Setup Guide, which you can use as a reference. But instead of showing the V-Drive mapping method, we'll go over the quicker automatic self-link method shown in the appendix. Before starting, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings to make sure it's set to the required 100% scale and a 1920 by 1080 or by 1200 resolution. You should have received an email with a link to download the software. Enter your install code, click the Submit button, and if this is a brand new installation, select the Volunteer Complete link to download a completely new system. Once the file has been saved to your downloads, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All from the pop-up menu. Save the files to c:/look2software/volunteers. Go into the Resources folder and double-click on the settrustedlocations.reg file. This tells Access and Excel's Trust Center settings that it's okay to run macros for the software. If prompted, click Run. Click Yes to allow changes, then click Yes in the Are You Sure dialog, and click OK when done. You can also copy the Look2 Volunteers shortcut to your desktop. Alternatively, go into the Volunteers folder and double-click the file with GUI in its name. If using the shortcut, uncheck the Always Ask box so you don't have to click Open every time you start the software. Because we didn't map a V drive, the software asks if you want to use the local copy of the database files instead. Simply click Yes to both prompts. The main software screen is shown. To configure the system, click the Admin Login button. The default password is 1234. Then click the Config button to change the system settings, as detailed in the complete volunteer user manual. You can define your tasks, edit the skills, define optional questions, and more. One final setup step is actually to go into the Reports screen and launch the Volunteer Summary Report. Because this tutorial didn't map a V drive, simply click the Set to Local button and save the template. Similarly, launch the other Excel report for contact lists and click its Set to Local button and save that template as well. Close out of the admin windows, and you can test the system by clicking the Create Account button and entering a phone number. Click Cancel if you don't want to do that, and instead you can test the software with the anonymous user using phone number 0000. If desired, test by clicking the Sign In Start My Timer button. The software is designed to run in kiosk mode. So to exit the software, you must first log in again as admin. Then you can click the Exit Software button. Please review the volunteer user manual for more details on software operations, reporting, and more.